If you're looking to automate repetitive tasks on your computer, you might have come across AutoHotKey. But does it really deliver on its promise, or is it just another tool with too much hype? Let's dive in. AutoHotKey is a powerful scripting language for Windows that allows users to automate almost anything by sending keystrokes and mouse clicks. At its core, it's designed to help you create scripts that can perform routine tasks, think text expansion, window management, and even complex macros. The user experience can be a bit daunting for newcomers though. While there's a strong community and plenty of tutorials out there, the learning curve is definitely steep. If you're not familiar with scripting, it might take some time to get the hang of it. What stands out immediately is the flexibility it offers. You can customize scripts to fit your specific needs. However, this also leads to a lack of clarity for users who just want something quick and easy. Overall, it's a tool that feels aimed at power users and developers, which might leave casual users feeling a bit lost. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, AutoHotKey is incredibly powerful and highly customizable. If you invest the time to learn it, you can save hours of manual work. Plus, it's free, which is a huge bonus for budget-conscious users. However, the steep learning curve can be a significant drawback. Many users might find it frustrating, especially those just looking for simple automation. There's also a lack of official support, which can leave you in the lurch if you run into issues. And while the community is active, the quality of resources can be hit or miss. If you're someone who enjoys tinkering and programming, you will likely benefit the most. But if you're not tech savvy, you might want to consider simpler alternatives. In conclusion, AutoHotKey is a powerful tool for those willing to invest time into learning it. If you're looking for advanced automation and have some scripting knowledge, it's definitely worth a try. But if you prefer something straightforward, you might want to explore other options. Just keep in mind the commitment it requires.